friends, join me as we make a plush bunny candy dish. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So we start with these Dollar Tree bowls. They come 2 to a pack. We're only going to use one. I think they say they're microwave bowls. I don't know. And I have this plush bunny, again, Dollar Tree. All this is from Dollar Tree. And these little feet, also from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to measure where the bottom of the bowl hits this plushie, and I'm going to mark it. Ta-da! Now these plushies have like rocks or something in it to stabilize them. Make sure you don't cut those. And then I'm just going to cut across. I am going to remove quite a bit of the stuffing. We're not using the bottom, sadly. Maybe we'll use it for something else. I doubt it though. And then, so we're going to remove some of that stuffing, and then I'm going to remove the sticks or the wire from the feet. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to put a bead of it along one of the edges. And then with protected fingers, of course, we're just going to put the two edges together. Okay. Seal it up. Easy peasy. Is there a prettier way to do this? Maybe. I didn't have time for that. I wanted to make something pretty quick. So it is pretty. It's just pretty quick. All right. That's enough. So then I put a bead of glue around on the bottom, and now I'm going to adhere it to our bowl. And all I'm doing is just putting it pretty much near the bottom of it. And then again, finger protected because the glue is hot. I'm just making sure that I hold it there so that it stays. Is it the prettiest? No, it's okay though. Then I put a little bit of glue on the center of the bunny, and I'm going to lift it up, and I'm just going to hold the bunny there. Then I'm going to put some glue on the bunny hands, and we're going to put it on. Look at it. It's so cute already. We're going to put it on the rim of the bowl like he's holding it. It just cracks me up. Sorry, I digress. All right, so now that we have those two glued, then I'm going to put some glue on the back, and we're going to glue the little feet on. And again, it looks like he's holding it. It's so much fun. I can't even. Stop. Whew. All right. But look, it's cute. And I do the same thing with the other side. You could put the glue on the leg or on the bunny and bowl, whatever you prefer. And then we're going to do the same process on the other side. They do have stuffing or like discs kind of thing in the bunny legs. So if you find that it's not easy to see how they kind of pop out like that, if you can't glue it and press it down, then you can remove some of those discs and it'll make it easier to compress. And this was just because I didn't like it open like that. I don't know. You don't have to do that part though. Just make sure it's secure to the bowl. Look at how fun. I can't. Stop it. You could put like jelly beans in it. Okay, that's what we did. We put jelly beans. Or you could use it as a decor piece. I don't know, but whatever you use it for, that's cute. I don't care who you are. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.